So we got this. We're taking out these screws. And let's see what we're dealing with in here. Look at that mess. Okay, so, oh, you know why? The box is busted. Yeah, so I'm gonna have to pull all that out. Come on out. Holy moly. Okay. So how do I... So this box is attached somehow. I guess on this side. On that side. So there's a nail up there and there's a nail down there. So I would guess the nail's going into there. So do I, well, I gotta take the wires out, don't I? Okay, so let me take this off and then I'll start trying to bust up the plastic, I guess. Okay, so I got that all out. Okay, so I gotta figure out how to get this box off. So do I just like, what do you think? Can I just hammer it? I don't want to fuck up the drywall too bad. I promise I won't video me ripping this whole thing out and make you all watch it. What I'll do is, what will I do? I'll time from the beginning to the end of how long it takes me to take it out, and I'll put it in a little text box thingy down the bottom. Oh, this might be entertainment right here, just watching me try to pull this thing out. I know there's a nail somewhere because when you buy the new box, it comes with nails. So somewhere there's a nail holding this up. Where, for lack of me, I don't know. I wonder if that's like it there. I thought that might be better because I feel like the other view you're probably seeing a lot of my butt and not much else, so. Really don't want to crush my drywall. I'm gonna cry in a minute. You're like, don't cry. There's no crying in baseball. Yeah, I know. Showing my age. Did I mention that I'm gonna have to change my description soon? Because I have a 40-something-year-old grandma doing DIY and shit, and I'm about ready to hit my midlife crisis because I'm almost ready to go into the next decade, and I'm not ready for it. Oh, I found a nail. I found a nail. Okay. That's a good sign. I only found one so far. Probably shouldn't be pushing it over to the other side of the wall, but I can... Okay. Now how do I get it out? Oy vey. What the hell did you just do, woman? Okay, so I got it out. I took the wire nuts off. I pulled the box out. This thingy was the thing that was broken. I popped the holes in the new receptacle. What I'm doing now is I'm taking the colored wires and kind of twisting them so they're easier to manage. Now, I've got, these are the tail thingies that are going to attach to these. and go to the electrical box. But I didn't see a copper one, so I'm guessing the ground is just, I take one of these. This one seems longer, so I bet you that's the one. Okay. So, I need to feed it all of these through the top. Okay, so I got it fed through the top. Now I'll stop talking for a second because my neighbor opened the garage. I get kind of weirded out with the fact that my neighbors already think we're the weird lesbian couple. Now they're all wondering why I keep talking to myself. Maybe they're not wondering. Maybe they're just assuming because I'm crazy. The world, we never know. Okay. Whew. Hoping you can hear me all right because my where's like mic isn't working. I may end up plugging in my wired mic. I don't want to do any more videos right this minute because for some reason my wireless mic isn't talking to itself. Okay, so I'm trying. That may not fit in there. Okay, so I got this here. And it will go like that and attach in there. Now, can I just attach that now? And how do y'all do that? I don't think my big ass hammer's gonna fit in there. I think I'm gonna have to rip out the drywall more. I don't want to rip out the drywall more. Well, I got plenty of drywall to fix anyways. What a pain in the butt. Own a home, they said. Build equity, they said. Okay, I'm actually using the kids' bathroom stool so I can reach up here. So let me move out of the way so I can get the drywall. Okay. I'm literally cutting drywall so I can hammer it. How did I get here? I don't know how much of me talking to myself I'm actually going to make y'all watch. Well, that may be the funnest part of this video. So do I go for the entertainment value of how batshit crazy I am, or do I go for the educational part of changing a GFI? Y'all let me know in the comments. Which is more important? Ooh, there's a pipe back here. Just so you know, there's a pipe back here. I want to be careful of pipes. It's a PVC pipe, so it's not going to have a sense of humor. So I put all the wires on wire nuts. I attached them all. I put this up in. Now, guess I'm gonna have to make drywall for there. Now I'm gonna get the actual true measurements. Which is 5 and 4. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut this drywall out of here and just leave the paper And then if I did it right, it should just slide right there, and then I can tape it around. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? Thanks. So, next question. How do I get it to stay on there? I know, you're all thinking like drywall mud or something. I don't know. Okay, so I got some random stuff. Now I'm going to cut this down smaller. See what happens. So this is from the Dollar Tree. It's caulk. So I don't know what it does. But, well, I know what it does. I just don't know if it'll do this. But we'll find out. So I'm going to put this here. And then, it's kind of sticky. Put this here. This here. Oh, now I can't find. How do you know where it? Stupid. Cut that. That. Doesn't that look good? And then I'm going to take some of this stuff and kind of put it over it. Right? Probably go to the Dollar Tree later and get some spackle stuff. And I'll cover up the spackle from the Dollar Tree, but this should at least hold it. Ta-da! Okay. We got that. Next, we need a cover plate for it. Oops. Oh, that's sticky. I'm not going to put it super tight. First of all, I don't want to break the plastic. Second of all, in case I did something wrong. Okay, now it's the moment of truth. I'm going to turn on electricity. Okay, so there's a little light on. Saying the power is on. Okay, next we got to plug something into it. So we're going to plug the ring light into it. See what happens. Oh, it turned on. Yes, it worked. Okay, it's fixed. So I got that fixed. We got a GFI. Woohoo! Yeah, I know my drywall work isn't perfect, but it's getting there. And I'll go and I'll get the patch and patch it over too, and then I'll paint it. But as you can see, like the whole wall's a hot mess anyways. So thanks for watching. Talk to you later. Bye.